Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Syed Mahdum Hussain, Associate Professor at Department of Zoology in Government College University, Faisalabad. And the topic of my today's presentation is analysis of growth parameters, nutrient utilization, and body composition of Catella fingerlings fed on Moringa olivera leaf meal-based diet. First of all, as we know that aquaculture is one of the fastest food producing industry all over the world. And it is estimated that by the year 2030, the global aquaculture production will increase up to 109 million tons because of its rapid increase in the world population. Aquaculture accounts for 46% of the global production and 52% of all fish consumed by the human beings. All around the globe, high quality protein is available at reasonable cost that is supplied by the aquaculture industry. The aquaculture industry still faces a number of issues that threaten its long-term viability. All over the world, commonly fish meal is being used in the formulation of fish feed. Why we prefer fish meal? Fish meal is basically a major source of protein and essential nutrients in fish feed. It is highly digestible because it contains essential amino acids and minerals. But with the passage of time, increasing demand, unstable supply, and high prices of the fish meal make it necessary to search for the alternative protein sources. Basically, the main objective for most of the fish farmers is to produce high quality fish feed at low cost. With the increasing fish meal prices, the scientists are being motivated to identify the cost effective alternatives of the fish meal. So when we see the alternatives of the fish meal, we find that plant byproducts are at number one. Why we prefer to use plant byproducts for the replacement of this costly fish meal? Because these plant byproducts are most promising sources of protein and energy for the aquaculture feeds. They are basically a biodegradable and cost-effective and helpful in developing the environment-friendly fish feed. Moringa olivera was used in the present study. Basically, it is a famous tree known as a miracle tree because it has an impressive range of the medicinal uses. It is highly digestible and a very suitable amount of the protein content is present in it. We selected Moringa olivera leaf meal to formulate fish feed. Moringa olivera leaf meal improves the growth performance of the fish because it has important source of the vitamins and minerals. These leaves are rich in carotenoid, ascorbic acid, and minerals, especially iron. And it is a promising protein source when we use these leaves at low levels. These leaves have high amount of the other essential minerals such as calcium, copper, zinc, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium, etc. The crude protein content that is present in these leaves is about 25 to 32%. Catella was the fish that was used in the present study. It is basically an Indian major carp. It is commonly known as thella and being cultured all over the Pakistan, especially in the Punjab province. This fish is a surface feeder fish. It has high commercial value due to consumer choice. It is widely cultivated under polyculture system with other fish species such as the Labiohita and Sirenus myrigella. This fish has a high growth rate. Materials and methods. All of this research work was conducted in the Fish Nutrition Lab at Department of Zoology, Government College University, Faisalabad. Fish and experimental condition, the Catella fingerlings were purchased from the Government Fish Seed Hatchery, Satyana Road, Faisalabad. After procuring these fingerlings, these were acclimatized to experimental conditions in laboratory for 2 weeks in V-shaped tanks. During this period, the fingerlings were fed twice daily to apparent satiation on the basal diet that was used in the subsequent digestibility study. Aeration was provided round the clock to all the tanks through capillary system. Water quality parameters such as the water temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen were monitored on the daily basis during this whole study. Moringa oleifera leaf meal was formulated by processing its leaves. The Moringa oleifera leaf meal were collected from the southern Punjab area, especially from Multan. These leaves were then soaked overnight in a tank to remove the saponins and other water-soluble anti-nutritional factors like phytate. These leaves are placed on a wire mesh to drain excess water and then spread on plastic sheet to dry under the shade to avoid loss of the vitamins through photodynamic damage or oxidation. Then these leaves were threshed from the stalks to reduce the crude fiber content in the meal. These dried leaves were grinded into fine powder by using a hammer mill and stored in plastic bags at room temperature for the further processing. Feed ingredients and experimental diets. These feed ingredients were analyzed for chemical composition before the formulation of the fish feed. The reference diet was prepared to supply adequate levels of the required nutrients for the normal fish growth performance, while an inert marker like chromic oxide that was used as inert marker about 1%. Formation of the feed or pellets. These feed ingredients were finally grinded to pass through the 0.5 mm sieve size. All these feed ingredients were mixed by using a feed mixer for about 5 minutes, and fish oil was gradually added thereafter. Amount of water, about 10 to 15%, was added to prepare a suitable texture called dough. This dough was then processed by pelleting machine to make feed pellets. Here is a table in which you can see the composition of the test diets. In this table, you can see that 0%, 10%, 20, 30, 40, and 50% fish meal was replaced by the Moringa oleifera leaf meal. A review of feeding plate and fecal collection tube. While these are the valve 1 and valve 2, by opening valve 1 and valve 2, we collect the fish feces in this study. Sample study of feed, feces, and fish muscle. Crude protein was determined by the gel apparatus, crude fat by the Soxhlet apparatus, ash was determined by furnace, whereas growth performance such as weight gain percentage, specific growth rate, and feed conversion ratio was determined by these standard formulae, and digestibility was also calculated by this formula. Statistical analysis. Data of the growth performance, nutrient digestibility, and carcass composition of test diet was subjected to one-way ANOVA by using standard method, whereas the differences among treatments were compared and considered significant T less than 0.05. The COSTAT computer package was used for the statistical analysis. Results. In this table, we can see that growth performance of the Catella fingerlings at different levels of Moringa oleifera leaf meal based test diets. In this table, we can see that fish fed on Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diet significantly improved the growth performance of Catella fingerlings. At 10% replacement level, the maximum weight gain was obtained. That was 20.64. The second best value of the weight gain, that is 18.56, were observed at 20% replacement level, while the minimum value of the weight gain 12.46 was observed at 50% replacement level. So this indicates that the maximum utilization of the leaves can be up to 10%, while when we try to increase the inclusion level of this meal, like Moringa oleifera leaf meal in plant-based diet, the growth performance started to decrease. At 10% replacement level, the lowest FCR 1.40 and highest specific growth rate 1.49 were observed, indicating the maximum growth and significantly different from all other groups. Maximum FCR, in other words, you can say the poor FCR 2.25 and lowest SGR 1.11 was observed at 50% replacement level. In other table, we found that comparison of mean of apparent nutrient digestibility coefficient of Catella fingerlings fed on moringa oleifera leaf meal based diet. In this table, we found that a significant improvement in growth parameters was found, which marks an indication of the maximum digestibility of the nutrients such as crude protein, that was about 75.33, whereas crude fat 83.28, and the gross energy digestibility was 65%. In fish fed on moringa oleifera leaf meal based diet at 10% replacement level. Maximum digestibility of the nutrients such as crude protein, crude fat, and gross energy were also observed at 10%, where the minimum amount was observed at 50% replacement level based diet. And about body composition of Catella fingerlings fed on varying levels of the moringa oleifera leaf meal based diet, there was significant difference in terms of the crude protein, crude fat, ash, and moisture contents of the Catella fingerlings. The maximum value of crude protein, that is about 19.66%, was observed at 10% replacement level, and whereas the minimum value of the crude protein was observed at 50% replacement level. Crude fat 3.43% was observed, and moisture 74.43% were minimum at 10% replacement level, whereas these values were maximum at 50% replacement level, 5.38%. That was maximum amount observed in the present study. It was determined on the 50% replacement level based diet. Similarly, when we talk about the ash content, that was also highest, 2.47% at 10% replacement level based diet, whereas it was lowest, 1.44% at 50% replacement level diet. So on the basis of these results, it was concluded that moringa oleifera leaf meal has a good perspective for to be used as fish meal replacement in Catella fingerling based diet, but only about up to 10% level, and whereas it is also cost effective without compromising growth parameters. It was also observed that it reduces the discharge of the nutrients into the water, resulting in environment friendly fish culture. But after this inclusion level, when we started to add this at 20%, 30%, 40 or 50%, the fish growth performance, fish nutrient digestibility, its body composition, all these parameters were going to decrease. So it is recommended that moringa oleifera leaf meal should be used up to 10% level. I am thankful to Higher Education Commission Pakistan for funding this research work. Thank you. Here are some references. Thanks for your patience.